Many people wait until they are struggling to hear before booking a hearing test, but regular hearing checks are one of the best ways to protect your long-term hearing health. At First Enfield, our qualified audiologists recommend routine hearing tests, even if you feel your hearing is fine. For adults with no known hearing issues, a hearing test every 2 to 3 years is generally advised. This helps establish a baseline and allows small changes to be detected early. If you're over the age of 55, annual hearing tests are strongly recommended. Age-related hearing loss can progress slowly, and early detection makes management far easier and more effective. You should also book a hearing test if you experience symptoms such as ringing in the ears, difficulty following conversations, needing to turn up the TV, or feeling mentally fatigued after listening. Hearing aid users should have their hearing tested at least once a year. Changes in hearing can affect how well hearing aids perform, and adjustments may be needed. Earwax buildup can also impact hearing test results. Professional removal before testing ensures accuracy and avoids issues associated with outdated techniques like syringing. At First Enfield, hearing tests are carried out by experienced audiologists using modern equipment in a calm, professional environment. Regular hearing tests don't just protect your hearing, they support overall well-being, communication, and confidence. If it's been a while since your last test, now is the perfect time to book.